Let's talk about ETF Exchange Trade Fund. Most beginners fail because they try to track too many stocks. You don't need to be a full-time analyst to get rich. Introducing the Core and Satellite strategy. It's the ultimate lazy way to build a dividend fortress that is almost impossible to break. Your core is a Dividend ETF, SCHD, or V. This is one single fund that holds hundreds of the safest companies for you. It's your safety net. Your satellites are 3 to 5 individual stocks you love. These are your boosters to help you beat the market average. The beauty: if one individual stock crashes, your core ETF keeps the portfolio alive. 80% of your money stays safe. 20% goes for the big wins. This turns investing from a stressful job into a passive system. You spend 10 minutes a month and let the professionals at the ETF do the hard work. Follow the 80-20 rule. Build your core, pick your satellites, and go live your life. That is true financial freedom. Building a portfolio is like building a business. You need a solid foundation. If you want my specific core and satellite breakdown of the best ETFs for 2026, click the link in my bio. Let's stop guessing and start growing. Subscribe for the next move.